Hi TikTok Shop sellers! In this video, you will learn how to upload multiple products with templates to TikTok Shop Seller Center. With this tool, you can save time and be more efficient by uploading a lot of products in one go. There are 3 key steps to upload your multiple products. First, download the template. In TikTok Shop Seller Center, go to Products, Manage Products, Bulk Action. Choose Bulk Listing. Select category that best matches your products by entering product keywords. Select brands, if any, and download the template. Second, fill in the information. Fill in the mandatory fields. We recommend that you also fill in the optional fields to give customer better information about your products and gain more traffic. Do not add or delete any rows or columns in the template. Incorrect formats can lead to multiple upload failures. To upload product images, you should attach the image URL. To get the URL, you can use TikTok Shop Media Center in the Seller Center. After uploading product images, you can copy the image URL directly and paste it in the image section column. For products with multiple variations, you should note these points. The first variation is mandatory. Second variation is only required if you need 2 tiers of variations, such as colors and sizes. Each SKU should be placed in a separate row. For example, if the product comes in 3 different colors and 2 different sizes, there will be a total of 6 SKUs, 3 colors times 2 sizes, with each SKU in a separate row. Product comment information should be kept exactly the same, except for the variation's name and image, retail price, quantity, and seller SKU. The last step is uploading the template. Click Upload Spreadsheet. Drag and drop the spreadsheet that you have filled in. After you have uploaded the file, you can check the detailed preview of your first product. If all is good, click Confirm to start import. After your template has been successfully uploaded, you can check the listing status to see if it is 100% successful. The system will also review your uploaded file. If there is any information that needs to be optimized, you can optimize them directly on the Seller Center. The system will give smart recommendations to improve your product description narratives based on your product name, images, and attributes. You can choose whether to accept the recommendations or not. If some of your products fail to upload, click Download Fail Report to check the reasons for failure. Modify the details of failed products, then upload the modified template. You don't need to re-upload the products that have been successfully uploaded. Try TikTok Shop Bulk Listing feature now and see how it would ease your work significantly.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Ecotech channel for more related videos.